Mr. Ganesh Malhotra has been teaching in this school for last 5 years. First sentence. Second one, we have been looking for pure and unadulterated products since long. We have been. The next page also I am sharing with you. Yes. Third sentence, have not been coming or practice since January. Fourth, has Sultana been cooking food for us for 2 hours? Has Sultana been cooking? Fifth sentence, Avinash has been computer applications since his childhood. Now comes exercise E. According to question, what you have to do, rewrite the following sentence by converting them to negative and interrogative alternatively. Means one sentence you have to write 2 times. First in negative and then in interrogative. Okay. First sentence will be in negative. They do not sing folk songs on all occasions. You can add on a piece of paper also because there is not space to write 2 sentences. You can add on a piece of paper for this exercise only. One side in the book you can write negative and on the piece of paper you can write down negative sentences. Okay, the first one is they do not sing folk songs on all occasions. This one is negative. And in interrogative, do they sing folk songs on all occasions? And question mark. Okay, do they sing folk songs? Second sentence, I have not covered all my books and notebooks. Negative sentence and interrogative. Okay, second sentence. Sentence. This teacher has not been practicing innovative methods every year since her appointment. Negative sentence and interrogative will write has the teacher not been practicing, and the complete sentence you will write down. But interrogatively, has the teacher not been practicing? Sentence are not chipping on the tree branches. Are birds chipping on the tree branches? Question mark, interrogative. Fifth sentence, people not always support transparent and honest system. Negative. And interrogative, do people always support transparent and honest system? This is interrogative. Sentence will begin from do. Next one, they have not been working on that project for 2 days. They have not been, negative sentence. And have they been working on that project for 2 days? This is interrogative. So each sentence you have to write 2 times, one in negative and other in interrogative. Now F exercise. Rewrite the following sentences by substituting the subjects with the words given in the bracket. This means in the bracket some words are given to you. Those words you have to add on as subject in the sentence. And again you have to rewrite the sentence. And some necessary changes are also be done. Not go for swimming in the swimming pool nowadays. In the bracket word has been given Amit. So you will write Amit and it will be replaced does. Do को omit करना है, replace करना है by does. Amit does not go for swimming and the rest of the sentence will continue. In the swimming pool nowadays. Second sentence, they are waiting for the right time to come in his life. They are. This will be changed with I. I is given in bracket. I am waiting. And the complete sentence as per the question. I am waiting for the right time to come in his. His will change to my. Okay, this is also the change. His will change to my in my life. Third sentence. Has Abbas realized his mistake of acting cunningly with friends? Question mark. And you will write given in the brackets. Richa and Shweta have realized their mistake. THEIR. Have realized their mistake of acting cunningly with friends. Once again, I am repeating. Richa and Shweta have realized their mistake of acting cunningly with friends. Fourth sentence. Do Ankit always pass the buck on others? The bracket has been given they. So the question will be, do they? Do they always pass the buck on others? Okay, do they always pass the buck on others? Fifth sentence, all the members of our group have decided to violate the rules. Bracket is given, Rupali. Rupali of our group have will change to has. Rupali of our group has decided to violate the rules. Sixth sentence, Jaya has not been taking interest in old and superstitious practices since long. Now the sentence, educated Indians have not been have will come. Okay, HAV have not been taking interest in old and superstitious practices since long. These are the changes I am speaking also, so that there would not be any confusion other than the screen you are seeing. I am speaking so that you can write there only in the book right now. Okay, educated Indians have not been taking interest in old and superstitious practices since long. Seventh sentence, why do they go so early when their class is at 8 o'clock? And the word is Sham. So why does Sham? We will write this in this way. Why does Sham go so early when there will be omitted and we will write his. When his class is at 8 o'clock. Okay? When his class is at 8 o'clock. Now, eighth sentence. How do kangaroo protect their young ones? And the bracket word is monkey. So it will be how does. Does will come. How does monkey protect their? In place of their, we will write its. Protect its young ones. How does monkey protect its young ones? Okay, so we are done with present tense. All the exercises related to its kinds. Okay, class. So I would like to take your revision test on Monday. So how it will be conducted, that I am telling you. Listen. You have to take pages because we are not having the notebook for grammar, And as per in the previous class, we are doing every test paper, we are punching or we are pasting on the chapter like that. You have to take the pages, loose pages, center pages, and there will be the test of parts of speech. The questions will be given you on the screen and you have to copy down in those papers, and the answers I will ask you here verbally. Okay, so there will be your revision test on Monday. Note down of chapter first, parts of speech. And regarding the Saturday test, there is no information from the school. So tomorrow there will be no test and no class. For Saturday test, you will be getting prior information from the school 1 or 2 days before. So tomorrow there will be no test or class, but I will be taking a revision test on Monday. As per the timetable, you will be getting on Saturday or Sunday the new weekly timetable. Okay, class? So complete first chapter, all the topics of parts of speech will be in your revision test. On fair page, you will be writing that. And after the telling of the questions, answers, you will paste that page. You will punch that page in your book where the chapter is being starting. Okay. So on Monday will be the test of these parts of speech. Because it is a lengthy chapter, so it will take 2 days for the same. Okay, 2 days. I will take the revision test of all the topics in parts of speech. Now, so many queries